Oh, yeah, welcome to today's edition at KC Web Tech Center. In our previous review, we talk about the reasons why persons are not making money online yet. And we look at some of the factors why they are not making money on online space. But today in a jiffy, we'll just be looking at another aspect of it why persons are not making, they are not earning money in the online space. Number one is oftentimes when you see persons entry into a particular field in the tech industry, take for instance someone who is doing an affiliate marketing and he has been doing that affiliate marketing for 2 months or 3 months, and he has not made any single sales. And hear that someone is making money in the crypto industry or in the forest industry or in web development industry. The next thing he or she does is he or she want to jump into that field. You see, such person is just what? Walking around each field to suit him or herself. But there's one thing about these tech skills: consistency, perseverance, and passions. They are the keys. They are the three keys for you to succeed in the online space. Whatever tech skills you are doing, whether you like it or not, whether the expert or the beginners or the whatsoever, everybody is patient. Those who have made, those who are still making money in the online space, perseverance and passion, consistency, those are the keys that they have at heart. So for you to be able to make money, have this. You don't need to be running around the clock, around the feed. That hey, you hear someone making money in social feed, you hear other person making money in that feed, and you want to jump into those feed, and you are neglecting the one that you are what you introduce yourself, you enrolled into, you want to enter another one. Believe me or not, you will never make any time in the space. So, what can you do at this present time? Stick, I say what? Stick to that your passion, stick to that your field, to that whatsoever skill you are, whether you're an affiliate marketer, you're a digital marketer, you are a content writer, you're a web developer, web designer, you are a graphic designer, or any field that you are, have passion in that which you are doing, be consistent in that which you are doing, and learn how to sell yourself. I believe with this, you'll be able to pack the money in your life space. Thank you for watching this, and we hope to bring another edition to you from KC Web Tech Center. Believing, trusting, and prayerful, we all win in the tech space. Yes, believe that you can do it. Be prayerful and what? Trust your process. They will come. Trust your process is the motherboard. Thank you very much. See you next time.